So I've just dropped the cruiser here, down here at Extreme Outback. We need to get a new clutch. We've been having trouble pushing it through some of the sand hills, and these guys have got a kit ready to go in our 79. So why don't you join us today as we get this clutch fitted up here at Extreme Outback. G'day Darren.
Yeah, mate.
I understand you're going to run me through this kit.
Yep.
Now, this is the kit that comes for the car. What are we actually getting in this kit?
Okay, so what we're looking at here is an upgraded pressure plate. So we've got a 58% increase on your OE style of clamp
58,
force.
yeah.
Again, still matched with an OE style clutch disc, so it's organic. You know, the dampening characteristics of the clutch are really sympathetic towards the driveline itself. We have a good quality Japanese bearing. We put all our spigot bearings in our Extreme Outback kits, along with an alignment tool. And this one we also have the slave cylinder here that mounts to the side of the gearbox to help, you know, with application and so forth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So with this increase in clamping force, which is going to be great,
Yep.
what's it going to be like on the pedal? Am I going to have a really sore leg at the end of the day?
No, not at all. It's going to be quite nice to apply. It would be very similar to what you've got now.
Really?
Yeah, it's a minimal upgrade. We always try and look at that as a focus because you're actually going to wear other components when you're looking at a significant upgrade.
Yeah.
You know, pivot ball, clutch fork, pedal box are all something that we need to consider when we're looking at designing a clutch.
Right, okay. What about noise? Are we likely to get a bit more noise coming through the drivetrain with the result of this?
No, because we're using the OE style clutch disc, and the OE style clutch disc actually suppresses those types of driveline noises.
Yeah.
The most important thing that we're doing is obviously, you know, upgrading the pressure plate itself. So,
Right.
you know, 752 newton meter torque capacity is quite a significant upgrade.
Yeah. We do a lot of towing
Yep.
with it, of course, and we're doing outback type stuff,
Yep.
and when the sand dunes is something that is a daily occurrence for
Yep.
us. In the past, we've powered up the vehicle. We've
Yep.
got a bit of a tuning and kit in it. We do get quite a bit of clutch slip.
Yep.
Could be my right foot that's doing it, perhaps. This should solve some of that, I would assume.
Definitely, because of that 58% increase on the clamp force on the clutch disc, it means that disc is not going to slip within that clutch housing itself.
Yeah. And warranty on this sort of gear?
But we issue a 12-month parts and labour warranty on all our kits,
Yeah.
and we have a second-year parts only for product defect, of course. You know, we don't warrant, you know, any wear out or anything like that.
Yeah.
But, you know, overall,
So my right
yeah,
foot
look,
is my right foot.
Yeah, that's right. You know, we stand by what we sell.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're always approachable with these sorts of things. So it's a matter of consultation with us. But, you know, 12-month parts and labour is pretty good in
Yeah.
the marketplace.
I've heard a lot about you guys.
Yep.
I'm really looking forward to getting this clutch in so we can get back out on the tracks and not have that spinning.
Brilliant.
So, I guess it's over to you now.
Look forward to some feedback.
Well guys, the team here at Outback fitting up the clutch, I sort of know my limits. As much as I love to tinker and play myself, getting something like a clutch fitted, I would thoroughly recommend that you get somebody that knows what they're doing. The last thing you want to have is a clutch not set up properly, not adjusted correctly when you're out in the bush. And if it fails out there, it's a long way pushing the car home. So that's my recommendation. Get someone that knows what they're doing, can set it up right for you, and it can explain to you how it's all done when it's finished. just picked it up, and this is its first maiden drive with me. And the first thing I've noticed already is the pedal is a bit closer to the ground, which is what I love. I don't like clutches with big long travel. So straight off the ground, look at that, beautiful. I'll just put a bit of power to it. Now I'm in second. Normally, bringing it up where I am now, we would be slipping. Not at all. Still a lot more to go in it. That's fantastic. Absolutely awesome. And I expected it to be really heavy on the pedal. You know, you get these extra heavy clutches, and you would expect to have a real heavy foot, but not at all. This is hardly noticeable in the leg movement at all. I'm a bit high in some traffic here, so I can't give it a bit of a stick. But we'll see what happens when we go up around this corner here. But I'm loving it. Look, I just plant my foot down. Look at that. Normally that would slip. That's in third gear. You can feel a bit of boost come on. Absolutely loving it. I can't wait to put our camper behind the back, get out on the tracks. There's a sand dune it must conquer. Every time I've hit that sand dune with our camper on the back, I struggle. I don't get over it, usually because I just don't get the power to the ground. In this case, I'm really looking forward to it. So that's first. Look at second, smooth as. Just touch the pedal, beautiful. You wouldn't think this was a four-wheel drive, I tell you. It's absolutely awesome. And you know, I've got the guys at Extreme Outback to thank. They've done a beautiful job. Their workmanship in their workshop was fantastic. You know, they took a lot of pride. They treated the car as if it was their own, which is fantastic. You know, it's hard to find people that are committed to it. And everyone I speak to in the business, they're very passionate about clutches. And so they should be. This is a beautiful piece of kit. And yeah, it transforms this 79 into something else completely. It's absolutely awesome. So thanks very much, guys. And yeah, you're going to get us out in the tracks and make us very, very happy. Thanks again.